Reeman cleaning robot is an autonomous and intelligent robot. It can automatically perform cleaning tasks in the school, avoid obstacles automatically, and avoid the risk of damage to the equipment in the school. Using advanced sensor technology and artificial intelligence algorithm, it can automatically detect and clean the dust and dry and wet garbage on the ground. The built-in large side brush at the bottom of the cleaning robot can quickly sweep away paper scraps. The polymer sponge roller configured can efficiently mopping the floor to dry wet stains. After cleaning, it can automatically return to the base station for dust collection, water circulation, and charging. It supports external water pipes and can automatically discharge sewage without manual cleaning. In conclusion, this innovative cleaning robot, it can improve the cleaning efficiency and sanitation standard of the school.